And that's it. We've done it. We've calculated value drivers for every step, and to get to the total, we just need to add across as follows. That provides revenue growth of 9.0, EBITDA margin expansion of 8.0, EBITDA multiple expansion of 6.6, gearing of 11.9, and cash flow generation of 15. That's great, but this analysis was a lot of work, and you probably can't get all the numbers that you need for it if you are not on the portfolio company's deal team. And even then, it might be a stretch. As analysts, what we usually have are these numbers at entry and exit. We should also know how much capital went into the deal and came out of the deal during the holding period like this, and we can usually find details about add-on acquisitions because GPs like to discuss these things in their reporting and marketing materials. But that is really it. We are unlikely to find these holding period capital structure and income statement metrics that tell us what companies look like immediately before or immediately after these transactions take place. So that makes this multi-step model approach impossible for many deals. Well, the good news is we'll see that the one-step value creation model gets us very close to these multi-step model results with much less data and much less work.